Hey Stitching Muses, it's Viviane here. If you ever cut a lace and your right and left pieces didn't match, this video is for you. Today I will show you two ways how to cut the lace perfectly mirrored. The first one is great for beginners and the second one saves a lot of fabric. Once you learn this, your lingerie will immediately look more professional. When you work with lace, symmetry is everything, especially for panties, bralettes, and any pieces where left and right side are visible next to each other. If the embroidery is not mirrored, it's very easy to notice. Option number 1 is more beginner friendly. Cut two similar pieces of lace, then place them right sides together and take your time to align the embroidery perfectly. When the pattern matches, place your paper pattern piece on top and cut both layers at the same time. This guarantees perfect symmetry, but it uses more fabric than necessary. Option number 2 is my favorite. First, cut one piece from the lace. Then flip this piece right side down onto another part of the lace. Now you can use it as a guide to align the embroidery. When the embroidery matches, cut the second piece. This way you save fabric and still get the perfectly mirrored pieces. This technique is perfect for panties, back pieces, bralette cups, lace insert in the neckline, and any project where symmetry matters. Once you start cutting the lace this way, you will never go back. It takes a little more attention, but the result looks much more professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe or share it with your sewing friends. Thank you for watching and see you on Sunday.